How to bold your text on Wechat? Follow these steps. Initially open up your browser and click on the search bar at the top and type in bold text generator and search for it. Once you hit search, look for the first search result that comes up. Click on it to open the website. Now comes the fun part, typing your message. Write the message you want to send in bold. Once you have typed your message, you will notice that the text will automatically appear in the bold below the input box. Tap and hold the bold text to select it, then copy it to your clipboard. After copying the bold text, switch back to the Wechat app. Open the chat where you want to send your bold message, whether it's a group chat or a private conversation. In the message input field, paste the bold text you copied earlier. Just tap and hold into the message bar, then select paste. You will see your bold text ready to go. Hit send and your bold message is now live in the chat. So this is how to bold your text on Wechat.